it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, someone suggested in the comments that I attempt to find exact or similar items that come in a subscription box every month in store for cheaper. So I was intrigued, and that's what we're going to do in this video. All right, so we're outside of Belk. I'm in the parking lot, and I'm going to go in and attempt to find everything that was sent to me this month from Stitch Fix. Now, I'm picking Belk because I know they sell a lot of the brands that Stitch Fix uses. Now, I know Stitch Fix has some brands that you can't find in store. However, I think Belk has a good selection of sizes and prints and all that fun stuff and designers. So that's why we're inside Belk. So I'm hoping that I have some luck, but we're gonna go in and attempt to find everything that Stitch Fix sent me this month. So how we'll do it is I'll unbox my Stitch Fix this month, which, by the way, the packaging, I guess the post office or whoever delivers my mail just like beat it to you know where and back, because that box was a wreck. I guess it doesn't look as bad as I feel like it does, but they usually come like so nice and pristine. So what we'll do is I'll take out an item in the box, we'll talk about it, and then I'll show you the replica that I found in store. And while I'm getting this all ready, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a monthly clothing subscription service. So you pay a $20 a month styling fee, and then a stylist curates a box for you, sends you a bunch of outfits, what you want to keep you pay for, what you don't want you send back in this like little, this like pre-done thingy that they send you. So it's a really great deal. Also for Mother's Day, I've been thinking that it's a really great, they sent this and it actually made me think of it, that it's a really great idea to give a gift card. So you can give your mom or whoever for Mother's Day a gift card, and they can go online and fill out a style profile and get a Stitch Fix box. So I'll leave a link down below to sign up if you're interested. Just so you know, it is an affiliate link, and I do make a commission off of that link. I feel like I watch YouTubers say that all the time, so it's so weird for me to actually say it, but anyway, so just so you know, that's how that works. But gift cards, I think, are a great option if you're not really sure what to get your mom and she's, you know, into new fashion or trying new things, then I think that would be a really great gift. All right, so let's get this bad boy all ready. All right, so what I want to talk about first is this. So I hadn't seen any of these items in person. I looked on the app and I cheated so I could see what was in my box, and then I went to a store. So this is the first time that I'm actually feeling these items, and this is broken. It's cute, but it's broken. See this right here? That was open, and I can't open it. That's cute though. Oh, I think I just fixed it. I just need a little TLC. Okay. So this is like a, I don't even know, a crossbody bag. The brand is called, it says Jessie Crossbody Bag. Shiralia is the brand. I'm not really a fan of the inside, like that pattern, but this is really great quality. This is, okay. All right, let's see how much this is. This is the Shiralia Jessie Crossbody Bag, as I just said. This is $48. But this is really, really cute. Like, the feel is really nice. So now into the department store. This is the best option that I could find. This is a Kim Rogers tan-ish bag. It's quite a bit lighter than this one in person. It's got the little extra pocket. It's got, you know, some zippers. I mean, it was really cute, and I thought that it was like a really good match, but this one being $48, so this bag was actually on sale. So I was like, okay, well, it's got to be cheaper than this $48 one. But when I rang it up, the sale price was $42. So I like this one, I think, a little bit better than that one. I didn't end up purchasing that Kim Rogers bag because it wasn't a better deal. I mean, for $6, okay, it's $6 cheaper, but this, like, feeling it is such good quality. So that's cute. I don't know if I need it. Oh, it's got like a little wristlet thingy too. And then here's the actual like crossbody part. But that's really cute. I need to look through my handbags and see what I've got in there. Like if I actually need another one. Do I? Do I? So let's move on to these. This is a pair of black, what are they called? They're the brand Liverpool, and I guess they are skinny pants. So they're like they look like jeans, but they're like that soft jegging type jean material, and I was excited for these. I own a pair from Target that I just like wear all the time, so I need a new pair because I've had those for I don't even know how long. So I tried these on. They were a little bit too small. I needed a size larger. And this kind of material almost like doesn't want to come all the way up my legs. Does that make sense? I love the length. I love that it's like an actual skinny pant at the bottom. But yeah, these were a little bit too snug for me. And then the price, let's see. I think these were, yeah, oh, they're navy. Oh, they look totally black to me. Okay, it says maybe they are navy. Anyway, these are $78. So you'll be proud of me. Inside Belk, I had great luck. So I found, someone was telling me that Belk sells that celebrity pink jean brand. And I know that for a fact because when I looked back at a pair of white jeans that I own, they're that celebrity pink brand. So I had great luck inside Belk. I found a pair of black, like the same material, the same fit and everything, in celebrity pink. And they're adorable. I love them. They fit great. I mean, these are definitely going to replace my Target ones that I have. And then the best part, the actual best part of these is they were on sale for $36. So these celebrity pink like jegging jeans, $36. So those definitely beat this $78 jean price. And I ended up purchasing those black celebrity pink pants. Now let's move on to this gray top. This is from the brand Market and Spruce. And from researching, this is like a Stitch Fix brand. I had really high hopes for this shirt. I mean, when I saw it online, I was like, that would be a perfect, like just a cute, easy shirt for the summer. The sleeves are extremely flattering with this like cross detail. However, it's super see-through and it's too small. I would want it a little bit longer, and it's almost that like clingy material, which is not my favorite. It's really light though. Does that make sense? Like it's really light, and it is really a great shirt for summer, but it's just not, I don't know, it doesn't fit right for me. So this is $44. It's in a size 2X. So again, if I wanted to keep this, I would need a size larger, but I had luck at Belk. So I found this gray like cupped sleeve with a pocket on it, V-neck, and it was just so like flowy and light and pretty and like the perfect, I don't know, when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's almost an exact replica of the shirt that they sent me, and I really, really, really like it. It's from the brand called Sweet Tea, I think, and the like style is called Pink Rose, but it was $24. So that was $20 cheaper for that gray shirt that I found at Belk versus this Market and Spruce top that Stitch Fix sent me. So, you know, I bought it. All right, let's talk about this. So this kimono is from the brand Kaylee, and it's this beautiful like light blue with a light pink floral pattern on it. It's really pretty. It's a little bit snug, but it's not too snug. You know what I'm saying? I will point out that the last one I got in Stitch Fix was that dark, it was black with like the dark roses on it, and it split down the back. Like the entire thing split, so I had to throw it away. So I kind of feel like if I want to keep this, it's in a size 2X. It's called the Bryson Kimono, that I need to size up just because of what happened to my last kimono. All right, so this one is, let's see how much it is. Kimono, this is $48. It is really pretty, and it's a really great summer color, so that's an option. All right, so for kimonos, there were no kimonos that I could find at all inside Belk, not even one, so there was nothing for me to compare it to. But I think that kind of goes back to the idea of it's a convenience thing, plus you get items in the mail that you may not be able to find in store, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. But I like this. That's pretty. And then the last thing is this, they call it a maxi dress. I knew going into this that I wouldn't like this. This style just is not very flattering on me. This is from the brand Wisp, and it is in a size 18. I just knew that it wouldn't fit for me. I mean, it's a great length. Surprisingly, y'all know I'm tall, and I always talk about, I guess I'm not like ridiculously tall, but I'm taller than average. So a lot of times things aren't long enough on me. This is long enough, but it's like a very, see that? Like a stretchy type, but it's very heavy. It would be pretty if you wanted to wear it to maybe like lunch or dinner, like during the summertime. But it's a very busy pattern. I'm not the biggest fan of the pattern, so I don't know. I mean, it's really not me. I get the idea. It's summertime, send me a fun dress, but it's really not me. So this is, they call it in the color coral. which, okay. And it's $88. $88. Now let's talk about the only dress that I could find in the entire store that remotely resembled this dress that I had just gotten from Stitch Fix. So this is a long maxi dress, but it's got a shorter dress underneath because there's a slit down the front. It has sleeves, yes, but it's got a floral print. It's a similar color. It's like that darker, you know, maroons and burgundies and a little bit of coral thrown in there. So, I mean, it was the closest I could find. I know that it's not an exact replica, but I feel like that's the beauty of Stitch Fix, that you get a chance to try items and brands that you may not reach for in a department store. Like, I would have never known that I loved kimonos as much as I do had I not gotten one in Stitch Fix. And so I think Stitch Fix is great for that, to send you brands that you've never heard of or pieces that you may not be comfortable trying or that you may not be drawn to in a store. I think that they're really good about sending you those items. You try them on because they're sitting at your house and no one's there to see you or judge you. So if you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, then you found something new that looks really great for you and that you love. So I think that's what I love about Stitch Fix. So this was a great comparison to see what I could find in store compared to what came in the box. And I actually had great luck at Belk. So I got the black celebrity pink jeans and then I got the gray, what was it, sweet tea top. So I spent $36, the celebrity pink pants were $36 and the top was $24. So I got those two items compared to these two right here, which were $78 and $44. So I saved $20, $40, I saved $60. I know someone's going to like bash me in the comments for not adding that up correctly on the fly in my head, but I saved quite a bit of money and I actually got pieces that I liked more than the ones that were sent in my Stitch Fix box. However, I couldn't find a kimono, so I looked out there. And then this is really good quality. Like I said, I'm going to go through my little handbag collection. Like, you know, I don't need another one when I say there's an entire collection of them, but I'm going to go through and see if I need another one, because this is just like, you could even just carry it like this, like a big clutch, like a big, you know, without anything on it, like without any straps. That's what I'm trying to get at. All right, so that is a wrap on this video. Will I keep Stitch Fix? Yeah, y'all know I love Stitch Fix. This is number 9, 10, 11, I'm not even sure. I love Stitch Fix. My favorite stylist ever is on maternity leave right now. So we're working through to find some great things. I think she had sent me like 4 or 5 boxes in a row that were like on point, and now she's gone. Not for long, but what I'm saying is, you know, these new stylists come in and they do their best to understand you and find out what you like and what fits best for you. So I think that this go round I had more luck in the store. However, that's not always the case. Like, we won't get into detail, but like rompers and stuff like that I wouldn't try on but came in Stitch Fix, and I kept them. So you know what I'm trying to get at here, that Stitch Fix I think is great. I mean, for 20 bucks, you can get all these clothes that you may not really try on. So as I've said in the beginning of this video, I will post a link down below to Stitch Fix if you're interested. Also think about it for a gift card. My husband and I actually looked into it because he has very expensive taste when it comes to fashion, and he's very like specific. Like, he wants a certain size, or of course size, but a certain like brand and style of shoe and pants for work and stuff like that. So we've actually looked into getting him a box so that he could try it on. And I think I'm going to do a video on it. I think it would be fun to see like a men's version of Stitch Fix. Also, I thought about getting my mom a gift card because she is older than me, obviously, and I don't know if she would try those clothes on for YouTube, but I think it would be fun to see the age range and, you know, man versus woman, what kind of clothes they send people. So that may be coming. I'm not sure. I feel like I need to talk those people into it. Like, I feel like I'm very easygoing on camera and I don't mind it, but a lot of times when you put a camera in someone's face, they either get really quiet or like my mom gets the giggles. So we'll see if she'll do that. But that is a wrap on this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want me to continue doing this. I get a Dia & Co box once a month as well that maybe I could do in-store versus subscription box. Dia & Co is a little bit pricier than Stitch Fix, so that may be fun to see, and maybe I'll go to a different store other than Belk, like maybe a Target or a TJ Maxx. But Belk has good deals, y'all. If y'all ain't ever tried a Belk, or you've never heard of it, go to belk.com. They always have good deals, and their stuff is like really good quality. All right, I'm rambling, so I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.